And here's an issue that has triggered a controversy. Chief Minister M.K. Stalin has tabled a resolution in the Tamil Nadu Assembly urging the union government to provide reservation to Dalit Christians. The resolution seeks to amend the laws to provide reservation to those from the SC community who have converted to Christianity. The BJP has questioned the decision, asking if this means that Christianity also practices the very caste system that is branded as social evil when it comes to Hinduism. The party in opposition in Tamil Nadu also asked that when the centre has already formed a commission to look into the matter, then why are such resolutions being adopted?
Already, central government has given a commission, has formed a commission under the retired Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, Mr. K.G. Balakrishnan. That is one thing, which is basically studying the aspect of giving reservation to the convert Dalit community. We are of the view that it is completely a diversion tactics of the present government without addressing the failure of Vengai Vayal and special act for Panjami land and an act for honor killing, and to show the people that they are with the converted scheduled community. They are cheating this community by way of bringing the resolution today in the assembly.
Historical facts says that both in Christianity and Islam there is no untouchability prevails. That is the only reason the scheduled caste status was given to the scheduled caste members, so that this untouchability will be removed. But if that is the case, then the Chief Minister, Mr. Stalin, has to say or has to confirm that whether there is caste prevails in Christianity or Islam.
Let's quickly open this up. Uma Anandan, BJP councillor, Dr. Narayan Lakshman, associate editor of The Hindu, and Mr. C.Rajashekara completes the panel, lawyer, political analyst. Good evening, all of you. Mr. Rajashekara, why are you cheating the Dalits? That's the charge. What's the need for this resolution?
Actually, I welcome the resolution of Tamil Nadu government, and the Brahman Janata Party has no right to speak about caste, because BJP is a Brahman Janata Party. That's what we all 8 crore people of Tamil Nadu of their opinion. So when it comes to the interest of other caste, why BJP is getting perturbed and irritated when it is for the welfare of the people? We are in a democratic country, in a people's democracy. Everybody has the right to enjoy the benefit of the Indian Constitution. So when it comes to the poor and the downtrodden, why is the BJP so much worried and sad? It is not fair. Let us be honest. So this is the truth.
Okay, I'll tell you what the Supreme Court has said just in case you don't remember, but let's hear from the BJP. Why are you opposing this for the Dalits? You are Brahman Janata Party. Uma Anandan.
First, ask Mr. Rajashekara to learn arithmetics, or let him go to nursery school and start learning arithmetics if he says he is the voice of 8 crore Tamil Nadu people. Second, I would like to specify it's a cheat. They are cheating the Hindus. And I would like to ask one more thing. First, let them first give respect to dead bodies. The Christian converted people who die, they don't even give them respect in the cremation ground. They treat them like dirt. They are not even offering them. They throw the dead body out. They make the dead body travel from village to village. First, let them show respect, and this is within their realm of acting. So let Mr. Rajashekara not cheat the Hindus and be a party to this actually shows, as he says, that caste system is there only in Hindus. It is their dialogue. I would like to now tell them, are they now admitting, and are they also admitting our statement that they want to encourage conversion and be faithful to his master's voice from whom they are receiving funds? Let them first admit that.
Let me speak.
Of course. Make your point, sir.
They are cheating the Hindus. They are cheating the Hindus.
No, but first answer the question Uma Anandan is asking. If you have so much of an issue about the caste system that prevails in Hinduism, how is it glorified if a person embraces Christianity? There's no problem then, Mr. Rajashekara. What changes?
90% of the members of all political parties are from Hindu religion. So BJP is not the savior, or they are not the guardians of Hindus. They are one group of people.
First learn arithmetic.
Encashing the sentiments and emotions of the innocent Hindus who are victims of the BJP's trap. That is what I understand. They are not the savior or guardians of Hindu. It is for
Come
the
to the
benefit
topic.
of the. No. I am
Please
telling
come
you,
to the topic.
you are not. You are not the
BJP
savior.
is not the
you are
topic.
People.
BJP is not the topic.
People. No. You
BJP
are
is
playing
not
with
the
the
topic.
sentiments and emotions.
BJP is not the topic. Come to the topic.
How you campaign?
Come to the topic.
I know that. I know you.
No, but leave the campaign aside, Mr. Rajashekara. How is this about the campaign? Answer the larger question that Ms. Anandan is asking.
Come to the topic.
Yes, BJP is playing into the sentiments and emotions of innocent, gullible Hindus who are believing that these people will do
Is
something
BJP
which they
the
have not
topic?
done in the last 10 years.
Is BJP
Now,
the topic?
Everywhere. See, are they ready to eliminate?
The ideology of BJP is not the topic.
Let them bring a law.
No, why can't you bring a law? If you have such a problem, you bring a law. If you have a problem with the caste system, bring a law. Why are you bringing a law that glorifies caste system if a person changes his religion from and goes from being a Hindu to being a Christian?
To Christianity.
So I'll tell you, see, faith and religion is a private matter of an individual. You can practice Hinduism, you can practice Buddhism, you can be a Christian, you can be a Muslim. It is the prerogative of the Hindus, individuals to follow.
My
so
God.
where is the question of caste game?
Nonsense. Please ask him to talk sense.
See, I'll tell you. No.
Please ask
Let
him to
Umaran
talk sense.
understand. See, he can do all this caste politics in her councillor constituency where she mainly campaigned. Only it is Brahmins who voted for me. She openly said, let her deny.
But what has that got to do with what we are discussing, Mr. Rajashekara? Leave her campaign aside. But leave her campaign aside. Let's talk about the resolution and the message that this is sending.
BJP is indulging in caste fanatic vote bank politics.
But they are saying that you are promoting conversion. You are incentivizing it.
No, in Tamil there is a cinema joke. For you it is blood and for others it is tomato chutney. What is this nonsense?
But does that not apply to caste system? So you ridicule the caste system.
You should ask that.
No, you play the Brahmin card and win the election and you come out and preach to others what is caste system.
Let me bring in Dr. Narayan Lakshman. Okay, 1 minute. Dr. Lakshman, what do you make of this? How should this be seen?
Look, I think there are two sides to the story. The first, obviously, is about the reservation itself, and it is situated in the broader context of the Dravidian movement, where under the rubric of reaching out to lower caste groups since 1967, the DMK and the ADMK have undertaken policies that have led to 69% reservation, one of the highest in the country and definitely above the 50% level mandated originally in 1992 under the Mandal rubric. So I think on that count, the reason for this policy must be understood as trying to reach out to more lower caste groups, whether, there is this religious angle that has come in now. But I think one has to understand the motivations of this government, and even if it was an ADMK government at the helm, I believe this is highly possible. The other side, though, as I said, is this. It raises a few concerns in terms of what industry and our other groups will perceive, because there has been this huge debate on the economically weaker sections across the country, EWS quota. The problem is, if you go beyond 69% and you continue raising it, there may be a genuine question around how effective will your systems of education and your systems of professional services be.
Dr. Lakshman, we'll come to all of that. We'll come to the implementation bit of it. But many people believe that this is only a toolkit and the government is playing into the hands of the conversion mafia, the conversion lobby, what have you.
Conversion.
Well, that relates to my first point, which is I don't think there is a mafia as such, but I do think that one should not be surprised to see the DMK or indeed in the future, maybe even the ADMK tinkering with reservation policy, because they are driven by this very fundamental value set, if you will, which comes from the Dravidian movement itself, which is to provide welfare goods to the lower castes, regardless of which religion. Probably they have exhausted all opportunities for reservation among the the Hindus or other castes, other religions, but now they're reaching out to the Christians. Maybe there'll be more in the future. So I just want to say that
Anandan coming in. Miss Anandan, why do you believe this is a move to divide Hindus?
Definitely. See, they say their basic sore point when they point to Hindus is caste system. That is why they got converted to Christianity and Islam, they say. Because there is no caste system there, they are telling. When we know fully well that there is a caste system in both Muslims and in Christian. They turn a blind eye to that. They only point out to the anomalies in Hinduism. Now I would please ask Mr. Rajashekara to talk sense. I don't want him to talk about BJP, Brahmin and all that. I can also talk about Christian Nadar and Hindu Nadars. Let us not get into that. I would only like to say, give respect first to the dead body of a converted Christian. You say that he got converted because he doesn't get respect to Hinduism. When he is dead also, you don't give a respect in Christianity. So let them first remove that. Please,
let him answer first. Let him first answer the question that you've asked him. Let's have it from Mr. Rajashekara. Yes.
See, this is like calling kettle black. Anand survived and won the election only on the caste aspect. He went all around and said, and even H. Raja, her guru, said, we Brahmins have to unite. We Brahmins have to save Anand.
But one minute, Mr. Rajashekara, if you have such a problem with the caste system, you are saying that Anandan used to power and fuel a campaign. Why are you perpetuating that?
No, see, when you preach something, you have to practice.
I'll send a legal notice to him. I'll send a legal notice to him.
Coming out and preaching.
I'll send a legal notice to Rajashekara for this. Mr. H. Raja never spoke like that.
Okay, a legal notice is now coming your way. Mr. Rajashekara, a legal notice is coming your way.
No. Let us send a legal notice. Our campaign was based on caste grounds only.
Yes, and he is a good for nothing lawyer. He needs another lawyer's help.
Yeah, just keep it to Mr. Rajashekara, ma'am. Keep the anchor channel out of the legal notice, please. We have plenty to deal with it already. But Mr. Rajashekara, you're not answering the question. If you have a problem with the caste system, why are you perpetuating it by bringing in this resolution?
No, ask her not to threaten the panelists, co-panelists by sending legal notice and all. Even we know how to handle. Anand, I know you very well. I have come to your home.
Definitely, you're lying. So, you're lying in the TV. You're lying in the national channel.
I know you.
You're lying in the national channel. Why should I take it lying down? You are.
You cannot threaten a panelist, co-panelist by saying.
So what?
I am not.
So what?
I am not. I am not bothered.
A legal notice is threatening. Sending a legal notice, then R.S. Bharati is threatening Annamalai-ji. Sending a legal notice is not a threat. You talk sense. You talk the truth. You talk the truth.
No, I am not a member of DMK, neither am a sympathizer of DMK. I am only welcoming.
No, sending a legal notice is a threat you are telling.
No, that's what you are trying to create an opinion.
Sending a legal notice is not a threat.
No, the way you spoke, I'm telling you. The way you spoke.
Sending a legal notice is not a threat.
After we are done discussing this,
lies.
1 minute. Okay, let's get back to what we are discussing, Mr. Rajashekara. Why are you not answering the question? If the caste system is bad, how is this good in the resolution?
See, I'll tell you, it is the government of India, BJP, which has brought the economic weakest section reservation. And it is the 69% reservation, as rightly said by Narayan.
Let me answer that question. This is not the government. Let me tell you what the courts have said. The Madras High Court 2022, in fact, let me begin from what Supreme Court has said in 1975. Once a person becomes a Christian from Hindu, social disabilities due to Hindu religion cease. No longer necessary to give him protection, so he is deemed not to belong to scheduled caste. This is the Supreme Court, not the BJP. This was said in 1975. There's both. Listen to me, sir. Let me complete this. Supreme Court then underlines this point in 2015. Says 3 things to be established by the beneficiary of caste. What are the 3 things? Proof 1. He is from the caste recognized by constitution. There has been reconversion to original religion. Evidence establishing acceptance by community. If even one not substantiated, recognition is not possible. And the latest, I am sure you are aware, is when the Madras High Court had thrown this, rejected the plea. Conversion only states petitioners become Muslim. When a Hindu converts to Islam, he is just a Mussalman. Words of the court.
Yes. No, I agree. I have read the judgment, I know. But there is no wrong in the government of the day, which is for the welfare of the people collectively. Whichever caste or whichever religion they are. They are only asking, they have Dalit Hindus have converted to Christianity and they become Dalit Christians. That is Adi Dravida Christians. So no wrong in asking a reservation for them. What is the, is it a crime to ask for the poor and the downtrodden?
Okay, now if you have, okay, the other problem, no, I'll tell you, the other question on principle, yes, Miss Anandan, yes.
It's a crime to listen to this nonsense. It's,
No. Is it
it's a crime to make us suffer this nonsense from this Rajashekara's mouth.
Okay, let's be civil. Okay, 1 minute, Mr. Rajashekara, 1 minute, calm down, 1 minute.
Umanand, you are an elderly person, a senior citizen. Mind your language. See, you should not talk like this in a very, very unruly manner in a national TV.
Right, let me ask you this, Mr. Rajashekaran.
You don't need to teach me all this.
Okay, 1 minute. Here's the question. Now, Mr. Rajashekaran, you said that you have no, you know, there is no conversion mafia. In fact, Doctor on the panel, Dr. Narayan also said that. Now, when it comes to backing the anti-conversion law, why have parties even in the past, from Jayalalitha to even the DMK, why have you backed out? Why that reluctance in backing an anti-conversion law?
See, first, is the question for me?
Of course, sir.
See, I'll tell you, in Tamil Nadu, the population is 8 crores and above. So the Dalit population is 20% overall. I mean, it is not the actuals, maybe plus or minus. So out of that, some 5 to 10% would be, 5% would be converted into Christianity. But they want the benefits of the scheduled caste. So there is no wrong.
But that's the criticism, that people from SC, ST, OBC community, they are reluctant to convert. Now you are giving them this option that even if you convert, the benefit will stay.
See, I'll tell you, we are in a welfare state. So going by that yardstick, doing good to the poor and the downtrodden, whichever caste or whichever religion they are.
Okay, Ms. Uma Anandan, 30 seconds, last word. Welfare state, that's the defense.
No, welfare state is for everybody. It is not to trample on Hindu ethos. It is not to throw breadcrumbs and make people convert and be faithful to the foreign funds that are coming. That is the thing.
Okay, we've run out of time. I thank all of you for joining us. Uma Anandan, Dr. Narayan Lakshman, Mr. C.Rajashekara, thank you for joining us on Times Now. Seeking re-election from Bilgi Assembly constituency, Minister for Large and Medium Industries, Dr. Murgesh R. Nirani, filed his nomination papers as official BJP candidate in presence of Chief Minister Bommai and Water Resources Minister Govind Karjol. Later, at a public event, Chief Minister Bommai expressed that Nirani would win the election by 50,000 votes. The nomination was filed after a huge rally attended by thousands of people, which was a testimony of the popularity of Minister Nirani in the constituency. We're taking a quick break on Times Now. Lots more lined up on the other side. Please stay with us.